Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset a Samsung device without the need for a Google password or the device's PIN. In fact, you can do this whilst the phone is switched off, so wait till you see this. Hold on. Before I get into this, you should know that this method is going to erase everything on your phone. Everything. So if you're somebody who has just forgotten your PIN and you're trying to go back into your phone, do not do this, because you'll erase everything. There's probably some other options for you somewhere else. This is more for people who have maybe received a second-hand device but can't get into the device because it's still hooked up to the previous owner's Google account and you need their passwords and their PINs and all that stuff. This is a complete factory reset. Clean slate. So wait till you see this. Okay, to do this you need to make sure your device is switched off and you need to hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. When the Samsung sign appears, keep holding both buttons down until you get this menu here. Now use the volume down key to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then use the power button to click on it. Once you're in there, use the volume down key to go down to Factory Data Reset, click on it using the power button. Once you go back to this screen, just click the power button to reboot your system. Your phone will then restart. This may take a little bit longer than usual, but it will get there eventually, so just leave it alone and go and have a cup of tea or do whatever you want to do. Once your device turns on, you would then set it up as you would with any new device. Doesn't that look easy? I don't know how. I'm full of this stuff. Hacks for days. Please be aware when you're going through the setup mode when your phone thinks it's brand new again. It might at some point ask you for the details of a Google account that was previously linked to that device. Don't freak out. You can just slide down and press skip and then yeah. When your phone does wake up, and I can't stress this enough, it will have no memory of its previous life. You need to be delicate in how you go about things. It'll be confused, it thinks it's a baby and it's not. It's like, why is my screen cracked? Because I'm brand new. And it's like, you're not, man, you're 6 years old. Poor thing. Anyway, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If for whatever reason your factory reset doesn't work, your phone's confused, suicidal, go down to the description, click on the link www.businessmobiles.com and you'll find loads of great deals on real brand new mobile phones with perfect mental health and all that stuff. You can also follow our community. There's links to our social media channels in the description. Oh, and I have an announcement. Simply Mobile now has its very own Instagram account at Simply Mobile account. It's a very original name. Go over there and give that a follow. You'll get daily updates of what we're up to and behind the scenes stuff and loads of fun bits and pieces. Thank you very much for watching and we will see you next time. Goodbye.